Friday. We're starting up this 455 engine that I built for this gentleman. It's, as you can see, it's a real nice piece. It's all forged. Everything inside, good rods, nice cam, nice headwork, nice intake, work carburetor, good MSD ignition. Everything is done up just like I do everything. Charlie from Warpath Performance. It should have about 400 horsepower minimum, and we're doing the break-in on it right now. We're going to start it up. I'm going to pour a little gas in the carburetor. The timing is already preliminary set. The carburetor is preliminary set. Everything should be just fine. Let me get some gas in the carburetor, and I'm going to ask the owner of Trans Am Specialties over here, give him the honors, Alex right here, to turn the key. He's a little shy, camera shy, but we got the timing ready to go. It should be very close. Okay, the engine has to stay at 2,000 RPM for 30 minutes to break in the cam and lifters, and we'll check all the cooling system and everything. Okay, we're gonna light it off. Let's see how close we can get. Hit the key. Okay, we let the engine run for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes at 2,000 RPM. We broke in the cam already. I've adjusted the timing in the carburetor. This is the final idle speed. It's got a nice little rumble to it. The motor doesn't run warm. It's very tight. Everything's really, really nice. It's got a nice little hit. And you should be real happy with this piece. It was definitely a lot better than what was in there.